Hello my beauties and cuties, welcome back to the All You Can Face YouTube channel. So we're going to do a lymphatic drainage activation for the entire body. This is actually something I've learned from Dr. Perry and it's an amazing way to wake up. It looks very simple, but try to do it with me and see how you feel afterwards, especially throughout the day, because you activate lymphatic drainage and throughout the day you will depuff better, your face will become a little bit more lifted or at least not so puffy anymore. First, we are activating our lymph nodes. So we are opening these pathways right here. We are starting at the clavicle bones. You can also give this area a little rub like this. You don't have to press too hard. Just go in. My skin is very sensitive today, so it becomes red, but actually I'm not pressing at all. So this is really how you do it. Let's do this for a couple of seconds more. You can also press into your clavicle bones, but again, nothing really deep, just very superficially starting to activate this area. And now we are tapping. Now we go into the second part, which is the neck. We are giving it on the sides some gentle rubs. You can also do peace fingers and go around your ears. Have fun with it. Now we are tapping this area. I also like to give my neck a little stretch and move down. And now we are going onto our armpits. You can do one side like this. Let's do it actually like that. Let's start with one side and rubbing around this area. You can also activate in the back, give it a little massage. But again, it doesn't need to be very, very deep. And now we start to tap. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed, everything else is relaxed, and you breathe evenly. Let's go on to the other side. And now we start to tap. Make it actually very regular movements, so in a very rhythmic way. In fact, you should do it actually 10 to 20 times, but I do it honestly just how I feel. And it still does its job. So next we're going on to our stomach. So we're going to start rubbing our stomach like this. And gently tap it. Second part is our groin. So basically where you are folding into your crease when you're sitting. Next part is our knees. So we are going under our knee and start to rub. And I'm a little bit out of the frame, but the most important is that you see the knee. So we're rubbing right here and then start to tap. And we're doing it on the other side too. And then lastly, even though there is no lymph nodes, we're going right into our crease right at the foot and start rubbing it right here as well. And now let's do the other side. Okay, well done. So this is basically the routine. It's very quick. It's almost a no-brainer and you're thinking, does this really help? But we're going to finish with our 100 jumps, which I already showed you in a couple of other videos and you can also find in the All You Can Face app. So let's go, let's jump like 100 times like this, or you can also stop into the ground. The most important thing is that you are basically just vibrating your body to activate lymphatic drainage even further. So let's start with 10 stomps and then I keep on jumping and we do it together. let's go. So you should feel everything activating, everything moving in your body. I actually feel it. You feel right away a little bit more invigorated. So if this is something which is really interesting to you and you want to learn more about how to maybe exercise your facial muscles, make sure to check out our app. You can try it for 7 days for free. And other than that, see you next time. Mwah.